My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the Bachelor of Computer Applications 4th semester subject Artificial Intelligence as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 1 first important short question is: define artificial intelligence with example. Artificial intelligence, AI, means creating machines or computers that can think, learn, and solve problems like humans. It helps machines to act smart by using data and past experience. Example: when you use Google to search something and it shows the best results, or when YouTube suggests videos you may like, that's AI at work. AI is used in many things around us. Voice assistants like Alexa or Siri. Face unlock on phones. Self-driving cars. Online shopping suggestions. Easy way to remember. AI is equal to smart brain for machines. Imagine you have a robot friend who helps you with homework, talks to you, and even learns your likes and dislikes. That robot is using AI. In short, AI helps machines become smart and make life easier for us. It is like teaching computers to think and help just like humans. Next important short question is: 2. Describe about problem reduction. Problem reduction means breaking a big problem into smaller and simpler parts to solve it easily. In AI, this helps computers solve difficult tasks step by step. Example: imagine you want to solve a big jigsaw puzzle. First, you look for corner pieces, then edges, and then fill the middle. You are reducing the big problem into smaller ones. AI does the same. In AI, when a robot has to find the best path from home to school, it breaks the journey into small steps like turn left, go straight, avoid traffic, etc. Easy way to remember. Big problem, small problems, easy solution. By solving small parts one by one, the computer solves the whole problem smartly. Problem reduction makes AI more efficient and faster, just like we solve big maths problems by breaking them into smaller steps. So, AI uses problem reduction to think smart and solve tasks easily, just like we do in real life. Next important short question is: 3. What is the functionality of hill climbing? Functionality of hill climbing in artificial intelligence. Hill climbing is a problem-solving method in AI that helps find the best solution by always moving towards a better option. It's like climbing a hill step by step, always going higher, better, not lower, worse. How it works? Start with a possible solution. Check nearby options, called neighbors. Move to the one that is better. Repeat until no better option is found. Example: imagine you are in a dark room and want to find the highest point, like a small hill. You take small steps in different directions and keep moving where the floor rises. When it doesn't go higher anymore, you stop. That's what hill climbing does. Easy to remember. Hill climbing is equal to always choose better steps until the best is found. It's used in AI for tasks like pathfinding, game playing, and optimization problems. But it can get stuck if it finds a small hill, local maximum, instead of the tallest one, global maximum. Next unit, 1 important long questions. First important long question is: discuss about production systems. A production system is a way of solving problems in AI using a set of rules. It works like this. It has rules, called production rules. A starting point, called the initial state. A goal, something we want to achieve. A control system that decides which rule to apply next. It works step by step, applying the rules to move from the starting point to the goal. How it works? Simple example. Let's say you are making tea. Your goal is to make a cup of tea. Initial state, you have tea powder, milk, sugar, and water. Rules, productions. 1. Boil water. 2. Add tea powder. 3. Add milk and sugar. 4. Boil again. 5. Serve tea. You apply these rules one by one to reach your goal. That's exactly how a production system works in AI. Parts of a production system. 1. Set of rules. Productions: if condition then action. Example: if water is boiled then add tea powder. 2. Working memory stores the current state. 3. Control strategy decides which rule to apply next. Real-life AI example. In a chess game, a production system can be used to decide moves. If opponent's king is exposed, then try to check. If you are in danger, then move to safety. The AI checks the rules and current game state, then picks the best move. Easy to remember tip. Production system is equal to set of rules to reach a goal step by step. Why it's useful in AI? It's simple and easy to understand. It can solve complex problems by breaking them into small rules. Used in expert systems, games, robot control, etc. So, a production system is like a smart rule book that helps machines think and solve problems just like we do in daily life. Next important long question is: 2. Write a note on problem characteristics. Problem characteristics in artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence, AI, problem characteristics mean the different features or qualities of a problem that help us understand how to solve it. Every problem is different, and knowing its characteristics helps AI choose the best method to find a solution. Let's understand the main problem characteristics with simple examples. 1. Well-defined versus ill-defined problems. Well-defined, clear starting point, goal, and rules. Example: solving a maths equation. Ill-defined, no clear rules or goals. Example: writing a poem or designing a house. 2. Static versus dynamic problems. Static, doesn't change while solving. Example: crossword puzzle. Dynamic, can change during solving. Example: driving a car in traffic. 3. Deterministic versus non-deterministic problems. Deterministic, same action always gives the same result. Example: moving a chess piece. Non-deterministic, results can change even for the same action. Example: playing cards, you don't know which card comes next. 4. Single versus multiple solution problems. Single solution, only one correct answer. Example: solving a maze with one exit. Multiple solutions, many possible answers. Example: choosing a travel route from Delhi to Mumbai. 5. Knowledge required. Some problems need no extra knowledge, just logic. Example: tic-tac-toe. Some need a lot of knowledge about the world. Example: diagnosing a disease in a patient. Easy tip to remember. Understanding problem type is equal to choosing the right AI solution. Why it's important in AI? Knowing the problem characteristics helps AI systems choose the best tools and techniques. Just like doctors check symptoms before giving medicine, AI checks problem characteristics before solving it. So, problem characteristics are like a guide map that helps AI solve problems smartly and correctly. Next important long question is: 3. Write about Generate Antist heuristic technique. The Generate Antist method is a simple way to solve problems in AI. It works by 1. Generating possible solutions. 2. Testing each solution to see if it works. 3. Repeating this until the correct or best solution is found. This is like trying different keys on a lock until one opens it. How it works, step by step. 1. Start with a possible solution, generate. 2. Check if it solves the problem, test. 3. If yes, stop. If no, try a new one. 4. Repeat until the goal is reached. Example, simple and fun. Imagine you are solving a puzzle where you need to guess a 3-digit number. You try 123 wrong. Then 456 wrong again. Then 789 correct. Here, you are generating guesses and testing each one. That's Generate Antist. Real-life example in AI. In AI, this method can be used in game playing, password cracking, or robot movement planning. A robot trying different paths in a maze. An AI system testing different designs or plans. Advantages: simple and easy to understand. Useful when there is no clear formula to solve the problem. Disadvantages: can be slow if there are too many possibilities. May take a lot of time if not guided well. Heuristic tip: to make it faster, AI uses heuristics, smart rules that help choose better guesses. This saves time and avoids useless options. Easy way to remember. Generate is equal to try something. Test is equal to check if it works. So, Generate Antist is equal to try, check, repeat until success. This method is just like how we solve everyday problems, by trying different ideas until one works. That's why it's easy to understand and used in many AI applications. Next important long question is: 4. Explain best first search algorithm. Best first search is a smart way for AI to solve problems by always choosing the most promising option first. It looks at all possible paths and picks the one that seems closest to the goal. Think of it like this: you are finding your way through a forest. You have a map showing which path looks easiest or closest. You always choose the best-looking path first. That's how best first search works. How it works, step by step. 1. Start from the beginning, initial state. 2. Look at all possible next steps, nodes. 3. Use a rule, called heuristic, to decide which one looks best. 4. Move to that node. 5. Repeat the process until the goal is reached. Example, simple and fun. Imagine you are in Delhi and want to reach Agra. Google Maps gives you a few routes. You pick the one that looks fastest or shortest based on distance or traffic. That's best first search, always choosing the best-looking route first. Real-life use in AI. GPS navigation systems. Pathfinding in games. Puzzle solvers like 8 Puzzle. Robot movement planning. Types of best first search. 1. Greedy best first search chooses the node that appears closest to the goal based only on the goal. 2. A star search asterisk chooses the best node using both the cost to reach it and the estimated cost to the goal. Advantages: faster than simple search methods. Smarter because it uses heuristics, intelligent guesses. Disadvantages: ARC may not always find the best path. ARC needs good heuristics to work well. Easy way to remember. Best first search is equal to always choose the best looking option next. Just like we choose the best road to travel or the best answer in a quiz, AI uses best first search to solve problems smartly. Next important long question is 5. Briefly explain a asterisk algorithm with an example. The asterisk algorithm is a smart and powerful search method used in AI to find the best path to a goal. It is widely used in maps, games, and robotics. It combines two things. 1. Actual cost to reach a point. 2. Estimated cost from that point to the goal. Formula used. Fn is equal to Gn plus Hn. Fn is equal to total estimated cost of the path through node n. Gn is equal to cost from start to node n. Hn is equal to estimated cost from node n to the goal, heuristic. A asterisk picks the node with the lowest Fn value. That means it chooses the path that looks cheapest and fastest. Simple example. Imagine you are in Mumbai and want to go to Pune. You have Gn is equal to how many kilometers you have already traveled. Hn is equal to how many kilometers are left as the crow flies. A asterisk adds both to find the best route. Your GPS does this every time you use Google Maps. Steps of a asterisk algorithm. 1. Start at the initial point. 2. Check possible paths and calculate Fn. 3. Choose the path with the smallest Fn. 4. Repeat until you reach the goal. Where a asterisk is used in real life. GPS navigation, finding shortest routes. Games, character pathfinding. Robotics, smart robot movement. Advantages. Always finds the best and shortest path, if heuristic is good. Smarter than normal searches like BFS or DFS. Disadvantages. Can be slow if the search area is very large. Needs a good heuristic to work efficiently. Easy tip to remember. A asterisk is equal to actual cost plus estimated cost. So, a asterisk algorithm helps machines make smart and balanced decisions by thinking about both what they've done and what's left. Next important long question is 6. Discuss means-ends analysis. Means-ends analysis is a problem-solving method used in AI to reach a goal by reducing the difference between where you are now and where you want to be. In simple words, it asks, what's the difference between my current state and the goal? What action, means, can reduce that difference? This process continues step by step until the goal is achieved. How it works. 1. Start with the current state. 2. Compare it with the goal state. 3. Find the difference between the two. 4. Choose an action, means, to reduce that difference. 5. Apply the action and repeat the process. Example, easy to understand. Imagine you want to go from your home to school. Current state, you are at home. Goal, reach school. Difference, distance between home and school. Means, walk, cycle, or take a bus. You choose the best way to reduce the distance step by step until you reach school. That's means-ends analysis, choosing actions that reduce the gap between the current position and the goal. Real-life AI use. Used in robot planning, example, robot wants to move a box to a shelf. Used in automated problem solvers. Helpful in game playing and puzzle solving. Advantages. Solves problems step by step. Focuses only on actions that reduce the gap. Good for complex problems with multiple steps. Disadvantages. Needs a clear idea of the goal. May get stuck if no clear action reduces the difference. Easy tip to remember. Means is equal to action, ends is equal to goal. So, means ends is equal to use actions to reduce the gap between current state and goal. It's like climbing a ladder by focusing on each step that brings you closer to the top.